Hello, this is a quick bonus from Radio S because Shannon seems to have some very strange hiccups at the moment. So we're sharing it with the whole world.
I'm not.
She's not doing it on purpose.
No, I'm sorry.
She has been doing this for like 10 minutes now, and she sounds like a complete idiot.
That actually really hurt.
She sounds like a duck.
Sorry.
So yeah, we are going to be recording another one in a minute, and we don't quite know whether hiccups will be gone by then, but
sorry, I actually am.
If they're not, then well, we're going to have to put up with a duck in the studio, room. But that episode...
Yeah, this isn't a studio, this is Steph's room.
This is my room. Shut up.
I'm sorry. Shouldn't have made me laugh.
So I'm sorry, this is our bonus.
Sorry, it's going to be quite boring for you, but when we listen to it back, it's going to be hilarious. Yes. Sorry, it's going to be hilarious.
Because she just sounds so weird. And she doesn't really know what she sounds like that much.
No, I just sound like this.
But that one, the first one you heard just then after that was on purpose, but the next one wasn't. That one wasn't on purpose either.
I'm so sorry. Anyway, we're gonna love you and leave you. In the words of Andrea, our friend's mum.
It's not her thing.
No, but she always says it.
True.
And next episode, we're going to be giving a shout out to our mates, if that's alright. With you guys is.
Yes. I think.
Yeah,
maybe.
we are.
We definitely are now. We might.
Yeah.
God knows. Anyway, it's a bye from me and
wait a minute.
and
From me.